What if I told you that money is just energy, that it's simply a means of exchanging value in the world, no different fundamentally than a smile or a handshake? Sounds a bit out there, right? But stay with me for a minute. When we think of money, most of us picture those green pieces of paper with dead presidents' faces on them. We imagine the numbers in our bank account, the balance on our credit card statements. Money feels concrete. It is something we can hold in our hand, put in our wallet, count out and exchange. But what actually gives money its value? It is not the paper or the numbers themselves. It is the meaning we collectively give to money as a tool for exchanging value that makes it so powerful. At its core, money is just an agreement between people, a symbolic representation of work done, value created, energy exchanged. Without that agreement, those pieces of paper would be worthless. It is our shared belief in money's value that makes the system work. So, how does this apply to the law of attraction and manifestation? Well, if money is just energy and collective agreement, then it is subject to the same universal laws as everything else. It's not some fixed, limited resource. Money is a flow of energy that we can tune ourselves into vibrational alignment with, just like love, joy, health, and all good things. When we change our subconscious beliefs and energy around money, we attract more of it into our lives. But we have to get past thinking of it as just physical currency. In order to harness its energy, we have to start seeing money as the abundant flow of value and exchange of its mean to be. Easier said than done, enough, right? Our society conditions us from an early age to see money as scarce, that there is only so much to go around, and so we have to struggle and compete it for it. But that scarcity mindset only cripples our ability to manifest money. The truth is, there is an infinite supply of money, energy we can tap into. No lack exists except in our own perceptions. When we shift into an abundant, grateful mindset about money, it transforms our relationships with it. So, how do we make this shift? Here are three powerful techniques. First, affirm positive beliefs around money. Words and thoughts are energetic forces. When we affirm, I have an unlimited supply of money or wealth flows to me effortlessly, we signal to the universe that we are open to receive. Make affirmations in the present tense to manifest faster. Second, visualize money flowing to you. See checks in the mail, your bank account, balance rising, people paying you. Make the images vivid in full color and motion. When you imagine money flowing abundantly, you subconsciously remove blocks around receiving it. Third, take inspired action. You can't just sit around expecting money to fall from the sky. Take steps every day guided by intuition. Apply for better jobs. Invest wisely. Pursue that business idea. The universe rewards inspired action with flows. The key is not to act from a place of lack or desperation. When your energy is aligned with abundance, you will be guided to the right opportunities. You will also find money may come from unexpected sources, a refund, gift, or sale item. Stay open to all the ways it can flow to you. Of course, living an abundant money mindset takes practice. Especially if you have spent years in scarcity thinking. Be patient with yourself. Do the inner work of releasing limiting beliefs and fears around money. Embrace gratitude for what you have now. The universe will respond to your energy over time. You may hit blocks along the way. We all do. See them as a growth opportunities, not reasons to give up. Stay centered in faith and keep taking steps from that abundant mindset. In time, you will find money flows more easily. The challenges are part of your path. Just remember, as its core, money is energy we direct through the power of belief. Your subconscious beliefs craft your money story. Rewrite the story into the one of positive flow and watch your abundant reality unfold. When you start seeing money as energy to be harnessed rather than a physical limitation, it loses its power over you. You realize there is more than enough for everyone, including you. Align your vibration with abundance. Get out of scarcity thinking and watch how your finances transform. Money's power is simply a measure of how we collectively agree to exchange value. We could just as easily use seashells or lines of computer code, and as long as we all buy into their symbolic value, they would work the same. It is all about harnessing the flow of energy, not the physical form it takes. When it comes to money, our perception shapes our reality. Shift your energy, shift your beliefs, and with an abundant mindset, you will gain the power to manifest money at will.